The Land Title Office is part of the organization I work for, the Land Title and Survey Authority. The Land Title Office is the private property register within the province of British Columbia. We have approximately 2 million private titles in the province. Because strata titles, condominiums, apartments are included in that, we're about 1.6 million private parcels in the neighborhood of about 500,000 strata titles. I know the math doesn't work perfectly, but it converts to about 2 million private properties. That is the register. It's the source of the official information as to who is the landowner. The Land Title Office is now an electronic office. It was a paper office even 10 years ago. Conversion to an electronic office. The Land Title Office has about 4.2 million online transactions with British Columbians on an annual basis. About 80% of that 4.2 million is online searches, somebody looking for a document, a survey plan, a title, something like that. And about 20% is actually for applications, registrations. So the Land Title Office deals with about 800,000 applications on an annual basis. That may be a simple transfer of one property to somebody else, a mortgage release, a registration of a mortgage, a charge for a covenant that may place restrictions on land, a right-of-way acquired to allow power, water, even shared access, those type of things. So it's the official repository of ownership and interest ownership within the province of British Columbia. Certainly the majority of survey plans prepared go into the Land Title Office, about 10,250 a year. In a busy year, it can be 12,000, but certainly more than 10,000 most years. And they look after that private land side. The Crown Land Registry looks after the remaining 92-93% of the province, about 400,000 surveyed parcels of Crown land in which people have interests. Maybe an agricultural lease, maybe a mining lease, maybe forestry tenure. There's about 400,000 on that side. So the Land Title Office, really, if you look at assessment, and I'm sorry, I don't know the number today, but we're over 1 trillion in terms of assessed value of private property in British Columbia. Well, the source of the information of ownership of that property lies within the Land Title Office.